So greetings to our people. Greetings to our people in South Africa. Because I think this one specifically aimed at the South Africans, especially the colored ones, you know, the marginalized ones. This one is for you. So I don't know if you saw the headlines now. The DA is taking the ANC to court with regards to the Employment Equity Act. Now, I don't know if you can remember, like 2 years ago, just before the elections, we brought out the whole issue. Remember, there was a whole a video clip where Alan Zille said, yes, they have voted with the ANC for this Equity Act, right? They have voted with the ANC, but they made a mistake. So when it comes to the Employment Equity Bill, right, to that act, the DA agreed with the ANC that this bill must be implemented. Sorry. This bill must be implemented, and that more black people must get work in the workspaces than colored people and white people. I mean, they have agreed to this bill. Now, they realize that they're losing the colored vote. What are they doing now? They're running to court. They're running to court. Listen to this. And they want to take the ANC to court now for this act. Let me tell you something. If the DA wanted to win this battle with the ANC with regards to the Employment Equity Bill, let me just tell you something. 80% of the economy is in the hands of the white man. Am I right? Today we are here. This is Varkensvlei. Net hier aan die agterkant is Mitchellsplein. Right? This is a farm that I'm on. A farm. Opposite is Mitchellsplein. Remember that. Almal die ander plekkies nou kon nou die dag. If you look at Philippi, daar het net colored mense raar gebly. Vra vir my. Ons ken die history van Philippi. Hy mense kom agterna daarso. However, op die plaas, kyk net hierso, is net swart mense wat werk hier in Foreign Nationals. Hier is 2-3 coloreds wat werk. In fact, ek het nou net gepraat met 2 coloreds. Toe vra ek vir hulle, waar is die bruin mense wat hier gewerk het? Toe sê hulle, die bruin mense het by ander areas gaat werk en so aan. En ek vraag vir hulle, hoe kan jy dan nou net swart mense en Foreign Nationals wat hier so werk? Hulle sê, die boer vat net die mense aan. Hy vat die coloreds meer aan nie. Hy vat net Foreign Nationals aan en hy vat net aan swart mense. En hulle sê, ek moet gaan kyk by die skiere, daar by die wortelskiere en by die plekke. Ons moet gaan kyk, is net Foreign Nationals wat daar werk. Verstaan julle wat ek probeer om vir julle te sê? Die DA try maar nou maar net alweer, julle weet grandstanding. Who's owning all the farms, man? Weet wat ons geroep van almal die plase? Sê wit mense. So who is really taking on these people? When we go to the farms now, you'll see that what those white farmers do there. Hulle jaag almal die coloreds weg, fire die coloreds. Hulle vat 'n klomp Foreign Nationals aan. In fact, is die hulle wat daar so baie informal settlements is. Because hulle gaan haal sommer nou 200 van hy swart mense in die Eastern Cape, bring vir hulle op die plaas. As hulle klaar is met die mense, dump hulle die mense in 'n colored area. Dis wat hulle doen. So nou vra ek vir julle. Die mense, die wit mense, as 80% van die ekonomie in hulle hande is, né? Hoor wat ek vir julle vra. Wie own die Shoprites? Wie own almal die winkels? Dis die wit mense. Maar wat gebeur? Even in die Western Cape, wie het die meeste werk? Die swart mense het die meeste werk as dit kom by almal die winkels, gaan kyk by almal die mole, maar as dan die wit mense wat dit own. As die DA regtig vir ons wil gehelp het as die breinman. Dis almal hulle brase wat hulle mee praat, dis hulle mense. Hulle kan mos lankal iets uitgesit het om vir hulle mense te sê, kykie, dis mos nie reg wat hier gebeur nie, man. You can't must just put on a lot of black people within the colored communities. Dis mos nie reg wat julle doen nie, man. But they are not doing that. So wat sê die vir julle? Wat sê die vir julle? Then they're doing grandstanding now. They're taking the ANC to court. Listen to the Michael Begram. Hy is mos 'n attorney, man. Right? But hy's 'n MP vir die DA. Now you are taking the ANC to court with regards to the equity bill, right? But let me tell you something. You are the very, very same person that defends at the CCMA. You defend all the main companies. Yes, you, Michael Begram. You defend all the main companies by the CCMA. You are the one at the labor court that defends all these people. You defend all these people, my brother. So at the end of the day, we're asking, why are you taking the ANC to court? Why are you taking the ANC to court if you know for a fact that you are the person? You are the person that protecting all these major companies when it comes to colored people fighting for their opportunity. I defend die companies, I word colored mense gefire, hulle verloor hulle werk. Wat van Lisa Koopman? You know that Lisa Koopman has been sexually abused by her job. Betting world, almal hy mense. Yet, het sy nog altyd die company gedefend teen aan die meisie. Kyk gaan net aan die meisie se situation wat sy nou is. Financially is sy broke, maar sy was 'n student wat uitgepas het by university. Kyk wat het hulle met haar gedoen. Sy defend almal hy companies. Yet, wat vra sy vir ons? Sy wil nou sommer gaan nou raaso na die court toe en defend colored mense. Julle is gewoond hoe se mense voel, man. Nou kom maak julle voel toe hierso. Daai goed is op 'n einde, man. En ek wil hê ons mense moet sien dit gebeur hier binne in ons area en ons allow dit nog altyd. City of Cape Town. Kyk gou mooi raaso. Die meeste van die law enforcement officers is SWAT. Die firefighters, almal die opportunities wat opgaan in die city. Wat sorte van die SWAT mense wat aangevat, dan hulle nog van die Eastern Cape. Onthou net, toe Fadil praat van Eastern Cape se mense, toe vat die city manager vir hom hof toe. Wat die reality is, nou wil hulle die ANC court toe vat. Hou op ons mense toemaak, man, ons is dik van julle.